Hi everyone, this is Anson from AnsonAlex.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to resolve the error message that you get when plugging your iPhone or iPad into your computer, opening up iTunes that says Photos folder syncing has been disabled for the iPhone because the folder cannot be found. Now obviously in your situation the name of the iPhone and the name of the folder might be different, but this resolution should solve the error regardless of what the name of your phone or folder is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to navigate over here to iTunes because I've actually already resolved this error for me, and this is just a screenshot of what the error looked like. Within iTunes, you're probably going to start in this summary section, and this is where you get the error. When you open up iTunes, you have your device plugged in, that error message pops up. You can just press OK on it for now. What you're then going to do is navigate over here on the left side to the Photos section. Now you might have this checkbox checked up here at the top, or it might be unchecked. We're actually going to have to sync photos to our iPhone or iPad to resolve this issue. We can then unsync those photos afterwards if we don't want them on our device. I do want to warn you, if you have photos and videos on your device that were uploaded from a computer, this will erase them. So you might want to check. If you're unsure, you might want to hold off on this solution for a little while until you're sure that you have a backup of all of the photos and videos on your iPad or iPhone. If those photos were taken with your actual iPhone or iPad, if you actually use the camera app to take those photos, they will not be erased. This is only going to erase photos that we've uploaded from a computer to our device, so keep that in mind. Now to resolve the error message, what we need to do is we need to click on the checkbox where it says sync photos from, and then we have to choose a folder on our computer. If you actually do want to sync some photos from your computer to your iPhone or iPad, go ahead and choose the folder that you want to sync from. So for instance, I could choose iPhoto, and it would sync all of my iPhoto photos, all 5,500 of them, to my iPad or iPhone. I actually don't want to do that right now because that's going to take up a lot of space, and I've already got them on my computer. I don't need them on my iPhone or iPad. So I'm just going to select a folder with less photos because it's going to make this process a little bit quicker. You could click on choose a folder to browse your computer for a folder, or you could just choose one from the list. You can even choose an empty folder as well, but we have to sync it with something to resolve this error. So I'm going to choose pictures. Now down here at the bottom, I'm going to click apply, and it's going to go ahead and sync, as you can see at the top of my screen here. I'm going to wait for that to finish. Now if you did want the photos from in the folder you selected on your iPad or iPhone, you're all done. That error message should not appear anymore. You can go ahead and click eject at the top left, and you can start using your iPhone or iPad, and you won't receive that error message when you go into iTunes. If you don't want any photos and videos from your computer to move over to your iPad or iPhone, go ahead and uncheck the checkbox at this point. Go ahead and choose remove photos. Down here at the bottom, click apply. It's going to sync back up here at the top, and now once that finishes, we will no longer receive the error message when we plug our iPhone or iPad into our computer. If you found this video helpful, I would really appreciate a thumbs up here on YouTube, and if you want to see more technology tips and tutorials, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's all I have for you for today. This is Anson from AnsonAlex.com.